doing it for about 2 years now.
How old was he when he started?
About 10 years old.
How old is he now?
12. He'll be 13 soon, I hear.
That is so cool.
A couple days.
When I get up there, I will. We pay you for the stuff or take it over there?
You can pay me. What do you want?
The sword necklace. 10?
10 bucks.
I don't know. No, not right now. Ha!
What are you making?
Awesome. Thank you very much.
What is he making?
He's making a knife.
So is he going to use all of that iron?
Sorry?
He's going to use all of the iron?
So he'll just use he'll cut it off eventually, and
How do you cut it off?
well, you can cut it using a cut-off party, which is this right here,
Which I'm going to do actually in a couple minutes.
or you can cut it off
With a hacksaw.
with a hacksaw or with a grinder.
So it's like a summer job or something?
Yeah, he made it.
So it's like a summer job, basically?
Well, he's earning a little extra money. He's hoping to buy himself a motorcycle.
You can just build one.
Yeah, with all this
There you
iron.
go, Joe. You can build one.
I can.
You can build any. If you can build knives, then you can build anything.
Not necessarily.
Do you want any? You guys haven't figured out which ones you want? There's straight ones, there's curved ones.
You can build anything.
Yeah, I would guess so. That's what we heard.
How much are the tiny swords?
I'm gonna get you guys one.
The swords are
each,
$3 each, or 2 for $5.
But figure out exactly which one you want. Some are straight, some are curved. Which ones do you like?
So is the knife supposed to, is the knife supposed to go like curved up like that?
And he'll straighten that out as he goes.
That will be straight.
Is this shaft going to be curved?
I don't know what he's going to do. This is.
I'm going to put it into an antler handle.
You are?
Antler handle.
I'm
What's
thinning
that
it down
stuff?
like at the end of the file.
Oh, I see the stick. He's spinning it down so you can put it into the handle. So the main part of the knife. So you're working on like the part you're gonna put in the handle now, huh?
He's working on what they call the tang. The tang's the part that goes from here back through. On this one, it goes all the way through. This is actually the knife right there, all the way through.
I see it. I see it. I see what you mean. The
You
tang.
have to do the entire thing.
No, he's not gonna use that whole piece of wood.
No, metal.
Metal. Sorry.
If we
And I
want to
will
get
thin
to
that out so it's about long enough for him.
No, I wish that I could do that.
Cool.
I wish that I could do that. So much fun. It's way better than going to school.
Okay. And Henry, do you have yours figured out? Henry, do you have yours figured out?
Yeah. So you crafted this? Oh, it must be hard.
Is that a mold or?
It's, believe it or not, those are nails.
No way. I would think this would take as hard work as. No way.
There's nails like that?
Yeah, they're called duplex nails. They're used for cement forms or for scaffolding.
Yeah.
That is really cool. You found those. I mean, that is the best.
Have you tried Yeah, I have.
I have a little thing of them because I have 30 pounds of them at home.
Oh, dude, that's really cool.
I rolled a 3. I rolled a 4. I rolled a 2.
What kind of dice I take a chunk out of the floor? So
I
if you
owe
don't
you
mind,
15?
yeah.
Pretty bad.
Why am I standing up? My money's down here.
Yeah, we could use those dice.
I know, I was
for
thinking.
War
I owe you
Machine
5
instead
still.
of,
I would love to have those dice for War Machine, but right now
like working
we have to
out.
buy more.
Working out.
They're heavy. That's the coolest thing you make. But, okay, thank you so much.
You see the large ones?
Oh man.
I'm thinning this down for a
This
hand.
would be just awesome to roll these, go out to like a tournament, roll these puppies.
That's cool.
We have to buy other figures yet, but very cool.
I only make 4 knives a year.
Yeah.
That's
Is that how many
That's
railroad
3 of the-
spikes you find a year?
Wait for
Or?
them.
I
That's
just
pretty cool. You
Scale.
just stretch it and pound it out, right? It's
exactly.
all the
It's
railroad-
one spike,
all
a
spikes.
6 1/4 inch spike.
Wow, that's really cool. How much are those?
The only one that's left is this guy here. He's 150 bucks.
Okay. Do you have a website though?
Yeah, I sure do.
You do?
I already paid for it, so you pick whichever
I'm the
one you
crafty
want.
apple.
Okay.
Knife making's not my thing.
But you have those on there?
Yes, I do. I make them custom for people.
Yeah.
Here's my personal knife.
Steve, will you wear this?
What?
Will you wear that?
What is it?
Nothing.
Oh, hold on, wait.
I
Let
have
me
about
stop the
60
video real
hours in
quick.
making.